This is the crossings in Vale. Another video I lost 4 weeks ago. Nice 80s setting here, very early 80s. Yeah, nice urinals there, those unusual twikers ones. Yeah, lovely rare urinals there, old hand dryer. Wow, it's an old switch. Yeah, the cubicle. Yeah, I think this is a genuine Shires links here, but it's sort of identical to the 90s Denbigh systems, so yeah, interesting. Apologies about the cleanliness or lack of, but yeah, it's early 80s, so yeah, Shires links. Yeah, nice on flush there. Yeah, it's interesting. Yeah, it looks like a genuine 80s ceramic link, so probably the predecessor of the more common 90s Denbigh. Yeah, nice. Good to film it again. So yeah, that's our third film Lost last week filmed. The other two probably won't be refilmed, but one was one that Hawkers filmed anyway, and the other was nothing too special. So yeah, nice low level find.